stay out way past midnight, talking stories nobody else knew. Parked up somewhere with nowhere to be, just killing time like young people do. Back when a dollar felt like enough, and every weekend felt brand new. Never thought we'd have to grow up, never thought I'd lose touch with you. Take me back to the sweet old days, where the waves rolled slow and the music played, when our hearts knew every word to say. Take me back to the sweet old days. Now everybody's got responsibilities, kids to raise and bills to pay. Some moved off and some stayed home, some just slowly drifted away. Funny how the years move fast. 1 minute you're young, then yesterday becomes a place you can't return to, no matter how much you wish you'd stay. Take me back to the sweet old days, where the waves rolled slow and the music played, when our hearts knew every word to say. Take me back to the sweet old days. Sometimes I hear an old song playing, and it takes me somewhere words can't go. Back to faces I still remember, and people I still miss the most. The older I get, the more I realize it wasn't the place that made those days. It was the people standing beside me that made them feel that way. Take me back to the sweet